Hey people, it's Marine Sky from Massachusetts. Check all this out. Morning glories, marigolds, we got hot rubies. Oh, and hot rubies, a couple, and I've got also, what are these? Something, big beef to me. Oh my. And over here we have zinnia. Oh my. Borage, look at those. Say happy birthday. Over here we have zinnias. And those I just did. Oh, bachelor buttons. Butternut squash. Cherry tomatoes. And big beef, something's coming up over there. And African daisies. And I got new stuff, parsley. I just did the parsley and cilantro, so look at these morning glories. Aren't they something? I love morning glories. Now the thing is, they do well germinating. Now I got to make sure I can get them to the final process outdoors. That's where sometimes I lose it, so I've got to be very careful in that hardening off process. What is this? Oh, that's coleus. I just did those too. Those are tiny, tiny little seeds. Yeah. I'm thinking the bachelor buttons are looking leggy, and I should probably start putting them in something else. They say to touch your plants. Okay, I'm touching them. Touching them. I don't know. I'm touching you. Okay. Giving them life. Well, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear plants. Happy birthday to you. Grow and give me a good harvest, please. Ha ha ha. Thank you now.